Dear family, friends, and colleagues, this is episode 46 in our series, Enhancing Human Relationships with the Fourth R, the Relationships Skills. And my name is Richard Solomon, and I will be describing a activity called the Rules and the Steps for Nominal Brainstorming. And this will be a group relationship activity that is designed to enable participants to easily and enjoyably work, discuss, listen to the thoughts and feelings of group members whom they may not know very well. Now, in our previous episode, I described a fourth R group relationship activity called the 6 steps and 5 rules for brainstorming. But in today's episode, we'll describe the steps and the rules for nominal brainstorming. But before we describe those rules and those steps, let's talk a little bit about what we mean by nominal brainstorming. Nominal brainstorming is a special type of general brainstorming, or the generation of ideas, where members can only name. See, the word nominal refers to naming something new, something to share, such as a new idea or a different idea to solve a particular group problem that would be posed by the leader or the facilitator. By the way, the group itself can generate a problem for nominal brainstorming as well. Now, when participants can no longer generate a new or different nominal or named idea, and they pass 3 times, nominal brainstorming ends. So let's now go over what are the 4 rules for nominal brainstorming. Okay? And the first rule is the group leader poses a question, and each participant spends a short period of time, let's say 60 seconds, thinking of and recording solutions to that problem posed. That'll be step 2 in the steps for brainstorming, which I'll show you in a moment. Then, in round robin fashion, each member shares one new or different solution to the problem posed. Step 3, or Rule 3, participants may pass if they have no new or different solution to offer. And in Rule 4, when all members of the group have passed 3 times, nominal brainstorming ends. So those are the 4 rules for nominal brainstorming. Now let's talk about, on this handout, the steps and the rules for nominal brainstorming itself. Step 1, the group leader or facilitator invites group members to sit in a circle. Step 2, as mentioned earlier, the facilitator then poses a group problem for the members to solve. For example, she or he might say, let's do some brainstorming on what activities or projects might we like to do with our group. Then the facilitator gives each member some think time to generate solutions to the problem posed. Members may record their ideas on paper for a short period of time, let's say a minute or so. In step 3, the group leader then invites members to form dyads, groups of 2, and asks them to discuss their ideas with their learning partner for, shall we say, 2 minutes. These learning peers are free to add, modify, and elaborate on the ideas shared by their partner. And in step 4, which we discussed earlier, which identify the 4 general rules for nominal brainstorming, are mentioned over here. And step 5, in round robin fashion, the group leader invites members to share their suggested solutions to the group problem, and a group recorder selected by the facilitator or a volunteer writes down the ideas brainstormed on a chalkboard, an easel chart, a computer projector, an overhead, etc. And with step 6, when all members of the group cannot generate any new solutions to the problem and they pass 3 times, nominal brainstorming ends. Please note there is no time limit for nominal brainstorming. By the way, nominal brainstorming is well received by most participants because they want to learn how to share constructive information in a group. They have been given cognitive rehearsal time to think about what they want to share. They have behavioral rehearsal time, time to practice speaking in pairs before sharing information with the entire group. And because they are invited to truly participate in group decision making. Now, we invite you to participate in this activity, nominal brainstorming, with the members of your family, your friends, your colleagues, and even your team and workmates. And if you wish to get a copy of these steps, right over here, the steps for nominal brainstorming on the handout, all you have to do is to take a screenshot of these steps on my Facebook page. And if you have questions or feedback about this activity, you can send your comments to me at this email address, rdsolomonphd@gmail.com, or you can share your feedback on this, my YouTube channel, my Facebook, or my X account. Now, in our next episode, we will describe a new group discussion for our relationship building activity called the Hidden Agenda. And as always, my life partner, Jackie Saunders, and I deeply appreciate you taking the time to watch our videos and you're sharing your feedback to our series. We thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye.